Many of the students who are studying in the respective state are still having doubts that they would get certain kind of benefit in the NEET PG examination. So to be very precise and clear, any kind of benefits to the students either based on domicile or based on residence in the state have been removed in the NEET PG. So that simply means that the state counseling by and large has been nullified, but the state counseling will still exist, which is very important to understand. So the seats would be filled by all India ranking and then the state counseling. So for example, I take a very simple example. Some of the states might, medical colleges might land on the lower merit in the all India list, right? But if a student wants to get a PG admission in that state, they can get, because they are now open to all. So I take a simple example. There are 3 states. Let's assume state X, Y and Z, right? State X is a state which is one of the most popular states most of the student wants to opt for. However, state Y is a state where the healthcare systems are not well developed. As state Z, we assume, is a state which is not at all popular among the students for its PG courses or for its medical infrastructure, right? But now, since this state does not provide any domicile, if a person is ranking lower in the all India merits, let's say the person has a rank of around 4,000. Now, with 4,000 rank, that person surely would not get state X, because they would not get it, let's say, in the all India quota, and they would also not get that in the state quota. But what would happen is, with that 4,000 score, if you are applying to a state Z, which is not good in merit, okay, possibly you won't get it in the all India quota, but you might get it in the state quota now, because that state is not a popular state where most of the students would be applying or would plan to apply. But that was not the case so far, because till now that 50% seat of that state was to be filled, or was usually filled, by only the students who did their MBBS or who had their residence in that state. So removing this quota, state counseling would have an impact. Now the state counselings would be purely on the merit, but what an added advantage that students can derive from this is, they can opt for colleges in smaller states and remote states possibly, which would be going lower on merit, but they can get possibly a good branch there. So possibly a clinical or a good branch there if they are ready to move to different state and get their PG done. So definitely it has both the pros and the cons. We have discussed that, but the state counseling would remain. The state quota, which would be, which we can say in this case would be the domicile quota or the residence based quota, has been removed, but the counseling would be there. Of the total 100 seats, for example, 50 seats would be filled by all India quota, 50 seats would be filled by state quota. But under this state, in this state counseling, not quota, right, under this state counseling, there won't be any quota in terms of domicile, in terms of the residence that they have done in that state, but it would be under the all India merit only. I hope this idea gets clear. In case you have any queries or questions, feel free to connect back, and thanks for joining in. We'll be covering more sessions for your NEET PG, and for your preparation you can refer the links below for reference and preparatory material. Thanks for joining in.